Vitu mbili. Abantu bekanise imbiyamu. Nikubalie nisema vitu mbili. Prophet huyu wakati wa campaign, he gave his 2 Nissans and he granted them to campaign for him. In every line that we had, alikuwa anakuja na gari zake. Ameweka mziki zinaimba simbaliki. Thank you. I owe you, Prophet, and I'll tell you that we'll continue doing the right thing before the presence of God. There is one thing. There's one thing I believe in. If indeed we are prepared for the kingdom of heaven, we must be honest to ourselves. You must be honest to yourself before you become honest before God. Mimi nataka niseme kwamba I've come to Kisii County after serving 10 years as a member of parliament of the Great North and served as a councillor for 5 years. Today I'm serving as the governor of Kisii. It's because of the blessings of God. In Nairobi, in the Great North, Kisiis were not the majority, we were the minority in numbers. The Luyas were 39,000, Kikuyus 34, Luos 25, Kisiis 14,000. Kambas 8, other small tribes 11, totalizing to 152,000 people who were registered in my constituency. They elected me twice as their member of parliament.